fucking ass up and work. It seems like nobody wants to work these days.
Good morning, beautiful people. I hope you guys sleep well. So I wanted to share my idea on the sound I put at the intro of my video. Before, I thought I was lazy. I thought I hated to work until I started studying on Amazon and have multiple sources of income. Then I realized my problem wasn't because I hated to work. My problem wasn't because I was a lazy person. My problem was because I hated to have someone scheduling my life. I hated to have someone on top of me 24/7. I hated to check my schedule every Tuesday night to see what time I work and which day I work so I can plan something with my family. That's the same thing. I feel like a lot of people is not they hate to work. It's because they hate to have someone on top of them. They hate to have someone controlling their life. Don't get me wrong. I'm not against nobody working a 9-to-5 job with them in the society. Not everybody was born a leader. Not everybody can learn how to become a leader. Some people was born to work a 9-to-5 job and there is nothing you can do about it. But if you're part of the people who's tired to work a 9-to-5 job, who want to have your own schedule, that's the main reason why I created my channel. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. Now you have all the resources. It's up to you to know what you want to do about it. So alright, let's go back in today's video. So he's been looking for parking. I was just waiting for someone, so someone finally got in, so I park. You guys can see right now I'm heading inside where you need to scan your license. But before you go ahead and scan your license, once you park, I have parked, then Amazon will ask you a selfie, and then so they can verify your account that it's you doing the delivery, nobody else is doing the delivery on your behalf. I scan my driver license, and then the app just automatically switch and they'll tell me where my package is located. Area 206 Route AX4. So that's a lot of information they're giving you. So basically, once you get to the warehouse, there's different numbers. As you guys can see, here's me. I scanned my first package, and it say on you see the green line, that's mean you good, that's your package, and it show me the route. See all the package, it will tell you all the information, if it's a large bag, if it's an envelope and package. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and scan all the package, but I'm not just gonna scan them and throw them in my car, but I'm just gonna organize it. So once I start doing my delivery, once I get to the customer house, so I know which package I need to pick up. Now you guys can see I have a package. It's UP3, so I'll take all the package that say UP3 and put all of them together. So once I get to the customer house, if the Amazon say the package is an envelope, it's UP333, so I know where to get this package. Even in the box, I'll put all of them together, the UP1 together, or the UP2 together, or the UP4 together. Once you get to the customer house, it's so much easier. It saves you so much time instead of going in all the package and trying to find out which one is it. Guys, it can be a nightmare if you don't know how to organize those packages. It can be a nightmare. 35 package, so let's hope I can get it done in like 3.5 hours, then I'll be good to go. Since I show you guys how to scan it, I'll take you guys how I do the delivery and stuff. I'll try my best because I bought my camera, but unfortunately I don't have my camera with me. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get through it together, okay?
I need some rest. I need some beauty rest, you know. So let's go. You see, if you guys can see.
That's my car right now. So yeah, like I said in the previous video, I didn't bring my camera, and it was good to film with my phone and then scan the package and everything. So I did it. You get in, I will show you all the direction. They'll tell you that's the first package, that's your first delivery. You stop to the customer address. And guys, I want to show you something. Once you see this, the little circle inside the little circle, you know this the house, it's either on your right or your left side. It's so easy. Follow the Amazon navigation. Once you get to the customer house, if the item is a UP1 or UP2, it will tell you if it's a box or if it's a envelope, so you guys know where you put UP1, UP. Go ahead, you grab the package, you scan it again, and then you put it in the front door of the customer. Then you take a picture and you send it to the customer. That's all you have to do. But one thing I don't like though, because I have to give you guys the good and the bad. The good thing when you're doing early delivery is like there's no traffic and everything, no school, and that's the perfect time. But the like about it, it's when you have apartments. Sometimes, let's say you have to do a delivery at 4 a.m. Most people don't wake up until at 7-8 a.m. So, and then they give you the gate, the access code gate, in order to call them, and then you be like you're putting the access code, and if the customer don't answer, or if they answer, sometimes they'll be rude. They'll be like, why you wake up me so early? So yeah, if they giving you this attitude, go on the app and say unable to deliver and put the package on your car. Don't even worry. If you see you can deliver something, or you get to the apartment, you don't have the gate code and there is no security guard to let you in, just go on the app and say unable to deliver. Don't even waste your time, and then when you go to Amazon warehouse again, you can just return them the package. Don't waste your time. They don't pay you enough to do all those crap. Okay, stress out, just put unable to deliver. But I'm not saying to do it for all the package. Make sure you can, if you can deliver the package, make sure you deliver it. Second time is like Amazon doesn't let you know how many package you're gonna get ahead of time, and they don't tell you which navigation you're going. So let's say I live in the south. If you go to Amazon, and they'll tell you sometimes you have to go in the west, you have to go north. I hate about Amazon. So I think if they do that, they could really improve and tell people where they're going, people navigation based on their address. So it will be perfect. So I live in the south. For Amazon, multiple times lucky I am, so they always send me in the southwest. So I don't even have to worry, because I know this area and that's my area, and then I'll be like, it'll be easy for me to get home once I finish my delivery. Order today, once I dropped the last package, I was literally 15 minutes from my house. Perfect. So the thing I wish Amazon could improve, so people can know how many packages you're gonna get and where they're heading. Okay, if I live in the south and the order is in the north, maybe I don't want to go up north. I hope Amazon improve in that. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you try Amazon Flex in your area, let me know how is the pay, and if you're gonna try it, let me know. If you have any question, I'll be more than happy to help you guys, and I'll be uploading another video for Amazon Flex Fresh, so which is Amazon World Food Fresh. So I'll be uploading a video for you guys. I didn't want this video to be too long. It's almost the same process. It's kind of different because it's fresh, it's grocery fresh than regular package. So other than that, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.